Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can remove your Dropbox or delete your account from Dropbox. Dropbox is an app where you can store your data into the cloud. And now you are fed up of using Dropbox as you have other apps. All you have to do is to remove your account on Dropbox is simply go onto the account option on the bottom right side of your screen. After you go onto account, simply go onto the settings option on the top of the screen. After going on to the settings, simply scroll down until you see a option for delete account. Now simply click on delete account, and now just follow some simple steps that it says for you in order to delete your account on Dropbox. Now simply click on send email, or if you know your password, click on add set and password. With either of the thing or option on your screen, you'll be able to delete your account. Just follow some simple steps. Again, here you can see that now the password has been reset on my Dropbox. After that, you have to click on add set and password, and now click on your password option and just give in your password. After you have input your password, click on next, and now you'll be able to delete your account and remove Dropbox. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.